scientists have discovered that dogs consider their owners as a vital part of their pack. Imagine living with a roommate who controls the food, provides shelter, and demands constant attention. For many of us, this sounds like a nightmare, but for dogs, their owners are their pack members. Dogs have a unique social hierarchy, with their owners being at the top. They've been observed displaying behaviors like submission, affection, and even aggression towards their owners. This complex dynamic is rooted in their evolution as wild canines. In the wild, dogs lived in packs, with a dominant leader and a submissive follower. This social structure has been passed down through generations, shaping their behavior towards their human family members. But what's fascinating is that dogs also consider their owners as their primary source of comfort and security. They've been known to suffer from separation anxiety when left alone, indicating a strong emotional bond. This phenomenon is not unique to dogs. Cats and even birds have been observed forming strong bonds with their owners. However, the extent to which they consider their owners as part of their social circle differs significantly. While cats are generally more aloof, dogs have been known to form close relationships with multiple family members. But what about other pets, like horses and elephants? These animals have a more complex social hierarchy, with a dominant leader and a clear pecking order. Yet, they too have been observed forming strong bonds with their human caregivers. It's not just about food and shelter. It's about trust, loyalty, and companionship. This raises an interesting question. Can we train other animals to consider us as part of their pack? While it may not be possible to replicate the exact dynamics of a canine pack, we can certainly work towards building stronger bonds with our pets. By understanding their behavior and social structures, we can develop more effective training methods and create a more harmonious coexistence. But that's not the strangest part. Some animals have been known to form strong bonds with their owners, only to abandon them in times of stress or danger. This phenomenon is often referred to as pack desertion, and it's a topic of ongoing research. But why do animals behave this way? One theory is that they're simply acting on instinct, prioritizing their own survival over their human family members. However, this raises more questions than answers. If animals are capable of forming strong bonds with humans, why can't they differentiate between their pack members and their owners? It's a complex issue that requires further study and exploration. For now, it's essential to recognize the intricate social dynamics at play in our relationships with animals. By understanding these dynamics, we can work towards creating a more compassionate and harmonious coexistence. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that some animals are capable of recognizing and responding to human emotions. This breakthrough has significant implications for animal training and behavior modification. But how does this relate to our discussion on pack dynamics? Well, it highlights the importance of empathy and understanding in our relationships with animals. By recognizing and responding to their emotional needs, we can build stronger bonds and create a more supportive environment. It's a two-way street. We must also be aware of our own emotions and how they impact our relationships with animals. This requires a level of self-awareness and emotional intelligence that's not always easy to develop. However, the rewards are well worth the effort. By working together towards a more compassionate and harmonious coexistence, we can create a better world for both humans and animals. So, what can we learn from the complex social dynamics of animals? For starters, we can recognize the importance of empathy and understanding in our relationships. We must also be aware of our own emotions and how they impact our interactions with animals. By developing a deeper understanding of these dynamics, we can create a more supportive and compassionate environment. And that's not all. We can also use this knowledge to inform animal training and behavior modification. By recognizing and responding to their emotional needs, we can build stronger bonds and create a more harmonious coexistence. It's a challenging but rewarding journey, and one that requires a willingness to learn and grow. So let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Subscribe for more fascinating stories and insights into the world of animals and their social dynamics. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and questions. Let's keep the conversation going and explore the complexities of animal behavior together. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.